When we discussed designing the Orangery, we wanted to create something that was really bright and light and give us large open space. We've created a room that we can all use together as a family, from my son doing his homework, my daughter watching telly, I'm sometimes cooking and my husband's helping me. The room is big enough now to host family parties, large Christmases, barbecues in the summer. I remember the day it was fitted and we first saw it, we both walked in and were just like, wow. We were conscious if we'd have used more traditional methods of building an orangery, we could have incurred more costs, but this way just seemed to be so easier and quicker. Because of the performance glass, the room is always the perfect temperature, from in the summer when it's the sunny hot days to the winter when we can get cosy in the evenings. We added the cornice on the outside, which makes it look extra special when we're looking back from the garden. By adding the pelmet, it makes the room feel really cosy in the winter, especially when you put the spotlights on. It makes it feel magical. And it helps it actually feel part of the house, not just like an add-on. It helps it flow through the rest of the house. The combination of the cornice and the pelmet, we really feel like our orangery's got the wow factor. We dreamt about creating a space where all the family could be together, and that's totally what we've achieved with this. The only trouble is that now we have to host Christmas every year, but I'm certainly not complaining because we absolutely love it. And I've also got a bit of a reputation for being the kitchen disco with the school mums. Everybody loves coming around here and having a gin and having a little bit of a dance in our lovely orangery.